y'all, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am working with a 613 glueless wig unit. At first I thought it's like you could make the wig unit glueless, but no, this wig unit really came glueless. Like the lace was already chopped and everything, which I'm not mad about it because this is my first time ever working with a glueless wig, unless I made it glueless myself, like with cutting the lace. But overall, you know, I like the hair. It just was different. As y'all can see, the wig is really glueless. This is a 5x5 glueless closure 613 wig unit. I think I said that in the beginning, but just letting y'all know. Also, the lace was very, very good to work with. When I say all you had to do was just add your makeup on it and just clean the part up and go about your day, you could just slide it off and on. It's really the true meaning of glueless. And y'all know I'm going to give y'all the real deal. The only thing is with this hair, it's not true to length. It's supposed to be a 26-inch. It looks more like a 20-inch. So I ended up using the watercolor method, and I wanted to go for like a storm look, but I used platinum and it gave the hair a purplish undertone. Y'all go see the wig. Y'all see the lace? The lace is lacing. I didn't even add nothing. I didn't add no freeze spray, no holding spray or nothing, which you can to give it a more natural look. But knowing me, I just want to slide this wig off and on. And y'all already know I had to curl the hair because y'all be getting hair and it don't curl. Nobody want to wear straight hair all the time. Straight hair cute, yeah, but can this hair hold curls? That be the real question. And yes, this hair does hold curls. The curls was tight too. But the only problem I have with this hair is not true to length. Now, if it was true to length, then this hair would be awesome. So I rate this hair a 8.5 out of 10. Just because it was not true to length. So okay, and this is the finished result. Y'all get into the curls, get into the lace, get into everything. If y'all like my video, give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. More videos are on the way.